Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the truth about making quick money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the truth about making money online fast. So that's something that I was thinking about the other day, and I thought that I would make a video about this, and I'm sure it's going to be a quick video, but I really wanted to get this out and let people know, because I see all these videos about how to make X amount of money per hour quick in the next 24 hours and all these different things, which all of these do work, and the people that do that, I don't blame them. They make money, teaching people how to do that and those ways to make money. In fact, most of these people admit that, this is not the best way to actually make some money. And, I really wanted to make a real video about this because, so many people start off like this, trying to make, $9 in an hour on their very first day, and things like that, and all these different things actually work. Like, there's no real question about that, because some people call them scams because they don't do it properly and things like that, but these things actually work. The problem with these things is, one, you're not going to make very much money at all, because you might make like $5 per day, and if that's what you want to do, then great. But then the second thing is, you're going to have to do this all the time to be able to actually make that money. It's not going to be passive income at all. And it's very, very time consuming. So, if you go and work at a job, if you go to McDonald's or something to work, which obviously is not as comfortable, but you'll probably make way more money doing that than, these average techniques of, making a few dollars per hour or per day. The other way to look at these things, and some people go through that first period and then go through that second kind of way, which is long-term money, and that's actually building an online business. So for example, if you were willing to build a YouTube channel, you're probably not going to get, any money at all when you first start. In fact, it's probably going to take you, months, if not years, to actually make your first money. And, some people make money faster than others. I made my first, sale when I had like 12 subscribers on this channel. But, some people made it way faster than me, and way more than me, and some people took way longer. And I have a previous video about what content to actually produce and things like that, if you're interested in looking at that. So if I think of it, I'll put a card up there, or somewhere there, so that you can check it out. But basically what I mean by that is, that's something that's going to take you a lot longer. Maybe it's going to be, you don't want to do YouTube, you want to do Amazon FBA, you want to do, create a Shopify store and all these different things, which you can make money, fairly quickly, but it might take you a lot longer as well. But the point of this is you're actually building a real sustainable business. Well, not all of these are, but we're not going to get into that. But you really want to focus on creating a real business, which doesn't take you a lot of money. Because if you look back like 30 years before, you would have to spend a lot of money to actually create a business, because you would have to have all this inventory and all these costs that basically associate with that. But if you're willing to actually build an online business now, it's not going to cost you a lot of money. In fact, you could really start off for free And you know, I wouldn't advise you to do that, because I would advise you to, you know, create a sales funnel, which does cost you a little bit of money, but it doesn't cost you a huge amount either. So that's something that's, you know, very, very important, is that instead of choosing the quick money, fast way to, you know, make a few dollars here and there, instead I would focus on actually building something that's sustainable, you know, and, you know, focusing on that, because one, it's going to be, you know, it's going to be making you a lot happier, because you're actually building something instead of just, you know, getting some money however you can get some money. But, you know, in the long term, you're going to be able to make a lot more money than, you know, with all these techniques. And not only then these techniques, but then any job that you can basically find, unless you're like, you know, one of the big, you know, right hand, you know, one of the big people that work at a certain company that they can't really, you know, pass. But these people typically take like 30 years to get up there. So if you make like, if you spend 30 years to build your online business, there's a good chance. And you know, if you stay dedicated and don't quit, because that's the biggest thing, that people realize that they're not making that much money at the beginning and then they quit. But you know, if they didn't quit, they could be making $10 million, you know, and you know, there's a good chance that, you know, in 30 years you'll be able to make that kind of money. But that is if you focus on, you know, growing and really focus on building your online business, instead of just, you know, getting that quick money in the short term. So I would really advise you to keep looking for the long term, because that is going to be the way that you're actually going to make the real money, instead of, you know, the quick money here and there, which, you know, isn't that good of a deal, basically, because you're going to spend, you know, in the long term way more time doing that and earning way less money, instead of focusing on, you know, building a real business. So if you're interested in, you know, affiliate marketing and all that stuff, I have a ton of videos, so make sure you check out my channel. I just wanted to make this video because, you know, I see so many people doing that I really wanted to be clear on, you know, that. And the people that are making these videos about making, you know, small amounts of money, you know, that's the way that they're doing it, that they're making the money is not doing that, but instead building a real business with, you know, affiliate marketing or whatever it may be. So I'm not blaming these people. In fact, I watch a ton of people like that, and you know, I really enjoy these videos, and you know, I get a ton of tips with them. And typically they also make some videos that are really, you know, good and really about online business. But you know, so I'm not, you know, talking about these people at all. I respect these people. They're really doing something great, you know, and helping maybe some people that do want to make, you know, a few dollars here and there. But, you know, these people are typically, you know, making real money another way around. So that's, you know, and, you know, they make real videos about making money online as well. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.